Nchomurire yawe TV yakisi Hot TV na wakirimbia muna singe nchiyo kweribure bya gone chenga kichawo kwenderera gusanga amanintwe niko bona nakwariganire ekere nko munyasa mungana le twikire SMS ari tukiri gali rero ncheni ngongoro kunyafita Dennis na bugwancha undangeri ko kurikuntu ritukuri rero mwarimu munene bwe skuru ya Kereri Girls musubati uyu mayikeni Madam Tabitha muronche nigo asabira abana siasa amona abantu bande aho eriwe yasokyana gosira kisemi asorogongora gusi anene muno asachinga chichitari kwenyara kwera abana babo asekirasike komine kianda okone tukore rero emyeskuri ya Kereri Girls nigo musubati Tabitha ate babuna nigo abantu abangi osabana bange batigere chinka anene muno chichitari kwenyara n'abana bange bari betitamo na max amange bataragenda ikirasi komine kianda wikira rero iga asinge nchiyo kubura school fees kurene na korene rwoti robene korchinseme chiga cha Kereri Girls tegete toronyore asenchera yobwikirano
Tabitha mogonje principal Kereri Girls enko irari bageri gagwakira nyasaye mbiyamo nasingencho atorendire goikekeiga naende mbiyamo nasingencho atorendire une school form 1 twanyoreta abana na twanyoreta abana nambere engiya 800 and then ndate na abana bacheto umwaka uyo na abana babwata maxi ya maya igaragara toko calculate mnanga ki ba performati nyenke CSC bari gokora mwana oyo mogotware C plain the rest are C plus and above ina maxi ya maya mono and then aboto promise bune school muna abana iga by the time barakora matemu aba KCSE we shall have improved in that performance even than what it is. Ngoira neria ngetembe ito nambu ya mono gekoera. Abana mbali bali ngenkaga aria batabwate oyore ko bakonya bache school. Mbachete baka rigorous cases of students bali ngenkari bakoleta matemu bwata maxi ali ngeigo konya bataranyara goche school. Bakarigia achi sponsor edinde chikareta abana baria batari gocha konyarekana bache school. So I want to appreciate you and members of parliament well wishers and those who have decided to sponsor such students nko bairana nambu ya mona asengencho ayu mwanya ko mokorera abana baiga gekoera nko bakonya muri bache ko realize their dreams in life. Again tonda apiri nekeri na abana stiri mbali bali iskaria bataranyoro yora bakonye babwata maxi aramaya nko boli leaders well wishers basoime bakonya abana buna bwirinda na banyora an opportunity to come to school basome bache kwe konya sama tukari bosi neskuru twabekire mikakati emia we have been able to meet with all stakeholders within the school and from outside the school twabekire mikakati nganga kitoranyare ko improve school yengia abalimu barona abalimu abaya naenda abakong abayiboli baito na abalimu abayiboli abaya ntu abamirete wiki eri birasi bionse ko from 1 to form 4 na abayiboli ba promise it and they have been doing it to support the school fully so that each could realize the dreams that we have. A dream to we want to improve performance each year so that enyago kina gochigoro na bana baito banyako bagoeta to 100% pass direct to university. Dina rikerenga kiaito. In terms of discipline, the girls are good. And in terms of all the other areas, I think we are set to go. Now, no kubwaterana no kuyakororo between us, the church, which is the PHE church, the Nabagambi Baito, the MP, the MCS, the religious leaders, obviously education, TSC. Twensi pindo che to genda to kubwaterana buya. Ande ntomaete nga ekaro timu wa kieroro gendo ngeo kirabe gekong. Nto nya ko bato goskid this school to the next level kulingana na mikakati tobegete the objectives we have set and the goals and we are going to achieve it through the power of Jesus Christ.
Na wakiri mbya muna singe nchokwenderera kusanga amone ntubuna TV ya kisi Hot TV na kuariganiria egere tuwate ase mitandao yete onsi pikere ase na kisi Hot TV njasomeretane ni ngonkuru kunipita Dennis na bwantu ngari kukurikuntu chatumira ne ase chinga kichinde.